Good evening, everyone. In a statue, investigation is being done continuously to stop illegal mining. The Haryana government is taking stricter step against the illegal mining, and the mining department is constantly keeping an eye on it as per the instructions of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, the Director General of the department KM Pandurang himself is monitoring the activities of the mining department and issuing necessary guidelines. The main goal of the government is to make the mining process completely transparent and eradicate illegal mining from its roots. According to the district mineral officer, illegal vehicles are being caught in the action taken at various places by the team of the mining department under the departmental investigation campaign. He said that the Haryana government is fully committed to stop illegal mining and is keeping a constant watch at the departmental level. He said that as per the guidelines of higher officials, the district administration has clarified that a strict campaign will continue to stop illegal mining. Under this, surprise inspections are being done in various areas and strict action is being taken against the culprits. The main objective of this campaign is to make mining activities transparent and stop illegal exploitation of natural resources. The Haryana government is determined that illegal mining will not be tolerated in the state under any circumstances, and strict legal action will be taken against those responsible for it.
Departments should make necessary arrangements for smooth supply of sewerage and drinking water, Sunil Sangwan. Charki Dadri. With a view to strengthening the water supply and sewerage system, the budget has been released by the state government and there is no shortage of funds either. In such a situation, the officials of the concerned departments should implement the projects of sewerage and drinking water supply on the ground as per the proposal. Negligence in work will not be tolerated and the problems of the people should also be resolved by making complete arrangements before the rains. MLA Sunil Sangwan and Haryana Olympic Association President Jaswinder Meenu Benawal jointly brainstormed in an important meeting with officials of many departments including Public Health Department, Electricity, Municipal Council, and apart from reviewing the current status of public health services in the district, its corrective steps were discussed. MLA Sunil Sangwan said that the budget has come for many projects including expansion of water supply scheme by constructing raw water pumping station, renovation, upgradation of existing structures in water works, laying rising main and distribution lines. Apart from clean water, he instructed the officials to strengthen the sewerage and ensure the availability of electricity 24 hours a day. Apart from immediate repair and renovation of motors, he also instructed to deploy water tankers in those areas where supply is disrupted due to technical faults. While reviewing the arrangements for waterlogging, water drainage, roads etc. before the rains, he instructed the officials to take immediate action. On this occasion, Chief Engineer of Public Health Department T.R. Panwar, S.E. Dalbar Singh Dalal, SDO Mohan Lal, SDO Mukesh, CMO Drive. Jitendra, Deputy CMO Drive. Ashish Man, Nagar Parishad Jasal.
Samadhan Shivir is strengthening public dialogue with the aim of quick resolution of the problem of the citizens. The state government organized a Samadhan Shivir in the auditorium of the mini secretariat on Thursday. This camp was chaired by SDM Dr. Virendra Singh. City Magistrate Jitendra Kumar was also present. He listened to the problems of the citizens present seriously and instructed the officials of concerned departments to ensure the resolution of his complaint on priority basis and in a timely manner. He said that public service is the top priority of the administration. Samadhan Shivir is a powerful medium to establish direct communication between the administration and the general public, which strengthens transparency and accountability during the camp. Problems related to the property ID, family identity card, land registration, social welfare, pension, ration card, et extra were permanent. In most of the cases, action was taken on the spot by concerned departments. Samadhan Camp is a part of the statewide campaign run under the guidance of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, which aims to provide smooth, transparent and quick administrative services to the general public. Apply for PM National Child Award by July 31. Selected children will be awarded by the President. Nominations have been invited by the Women and Child Development Department, Government of India for the Prime Minister National Child Award till July 31st. Under the National Child Award, children who have achieved extraordinary achievements in the field of bravery, sports, social science, science and technology, environment, including art and culture, who has aged between 5 years to 18 years, July 31. He awarded the President in the ceremony to be held in January 2026. The award will be announced on the occasion of National Veer Bal Divas on 26 December 2025. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said a total of 25 children will be selected under various categories in the Bal Puruskar. A medal, a citation will be awarded. First of all, the applications received will be shortlisted by the screening committee, after which the final names will be selected by the National Committee for the National Child Award. The state government, union, territory administration, district collector, district magistrate, Panchayati Raj institutions, all central and state school boards, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Navodaya Vidyalaya Sangathan, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, State Commission for Child Rights and other institutions can nominate. Other information related to the award can be seen on award.gov.in. Now easily download your pending cost certificate from eDisha portal. If anyone's BC, OBC, SC and DC job related certificate finals were pending, their work has now been completed from back and eDisha portal. Now those who had applied for getting these certificates can download their certificates directly from this portal. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that only eDisha.gov.in has to be used to download OBC, OCC, DSC job related certificates. Do not go to saralharyana.gov.in for this work. Those whose certificates have been prepared are being sent links through message so that can easily download their certificates. EWS, DSC and SC certificates will continue to be downloaded from saralharyana.gov.in as exhibition displaying achievements of central government inaugurated. Exhibition is a collection of achievements of 11 years of central government. An exhibition has been organized to mark the completion of 11 years of central government led by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. District President of BJP Sunil Engineer inaugurated this exhibition and also observed the public welfare schemes and achievement displayed in the exhibition. The exhibition, organized under the guidance of Director General of Information, Public Relations and Language Department K.M. Pandurang, show that welfare schemes and programs are being implemented by the central government for the welfare of every section. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, the government has built toilets in every house while ensuring the respect of women. At present, one ideology is ruling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The pride of his country has increased in the world. Through this exhibition, the work done by the government in all areas at extra has been displayed. Thank you very much for this watching PPT News. Friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So then take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.